Hi there. I'm joined at this RTS event in New York, which has been a pretty amazing roundtable, with Jeromee Johnson, who's the president of the options for bats. Now, we talk a lot about bats, Jeromee. It was front page news on our automated trader updates today. It was on our website. Bats is doing extremely well all around the world. I've got a couple of very brief questions for you. First, what is bats' philosophy? What's their edge? What is it that makes bats so successful?
The root of our success, when you look at the bat's name, you see right underneath that the tagline, making markets better. That tagline is exemplified in how we approach the markets, being a technology leader and our alignment with our owners. And they've made an investment in bats and support us wholeheartedly because they want to drive market efficiencies. That's what we're about. We show up every day, work hard, making markets better, driving efficient markets.
Now, I've heard that the entire BATS organization worldwide employs only 101 people. So, what are the efficiencies? What is it about your company that allows you to achieve so much in such a short space of time? I mean, you took the options from conception to going live in 6 or 7 months. How do you do that worldwide with only 101 employees?
Yeah, so 65 in Kansas.
Right.
Another 30 over in London and half a dozen in New York. Now, 101 is exactly right. And you cannot go in and open a brand new market like an options market with folks off the street. Right? So the fact that we have such a high caliber of technologists employed at BATS, it really gave me the resources to borrow folks from internally who already built the same matching engine, who built the same fix handlers, who built the same internal protocols for sending messages between the different interfaces, and take them and throw them in a developer cave and say, we're going to build an options market. And like you said, from the initial conversation that started just over a year, that initial conversation that started just over a year ago, we went from that to formally announcing it in the summer, getting our rules filed before the end of the year, building out an entire parallel infrastructure capable of the same sort of latencies that we offer on the equity side, taking that and scaling it from an order to execution ratio of about 7 to 1, 9 to 1 is what we run on the equity side. On the option side, we're capable of running that 3,000 to 4,000 to 1. Being able to take the same technology, the same developers, run it out of Kansas City, deploy it in Jersey, where all the servers live. That's a wonderful model and something that we've been able to leverage around the world.
Okay, next question. What is the vision and goal of BATS? Are you intending to become, is it your wish to become the Microsoft of execution?
The Microsoft of execution.
The gorilla, the 90% market. I mean, what is the vision and goal of BATS?
I don't think any market participant will ever get to that 90% level again. I mean, our goal and our owner's goal is to have efficient competition. Right? When you look at the origins of BATS, you were at a stage in the U.S. markets where there was a threat of a duopoly. And a bunch of market participants got together and said, hey, we need to make sure that there's efficient competition there. So when you look at something like Europe in particular, where the markets are dominated by these legacy regional country-specific exchanges, we're there to provide efficient competition to that. If BATS ever got to a 90% market share, I would fully expect that those same participants would go in and start BATS 2.0 or 3.0 to make sure that we had our own effective competition.
All right, Jeromee, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.